At the very edge of our solar system, there's a frozen world where ice behaves like rock. The sky can disappear, and a giant heart shapes the planet itself. This is Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. For decades, it was known as the ninth planet, a mysterious object drifting far beyond Neptune. But even with powerful telescopes, Pluto remained nothing more than a blurry dot. Then in 2006, everything changed. Scientists redefined what it means to be a planet, and Pluto no longer qualified. It was reclassified as a dwarf planet because it shares its orbit with countless icy objects in a region called the Kuiper Belt. But losing its title only made Pluto more fascinating. Pluto is incredibly far from the Sun, about 5.9 billion kilometers away. 1 year on Pluto lasts 248 Earth years, and its orbit is unusual, sometimes bringing it closer to the Sun than Neptune before it drifts back into deep space. Pluto is one of the coldest places in the solar system. Temperatures drop to around minus 230 degrees Celsius. At this level of cold, nitrogen and methane freeze solid. On Pluto, the air itself can turn into snow. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft revealed something shocking. Pluto isn't just frozen and lifeless. It has mountains made of water ice, glaciers that slowly move, and vast plains of frozen nitrogen. At its center lies a giant heart-shaped region, a feature that actually influences the planet's surface and climate. Pluto has a thin, fragile atmosphere made mostly of nitrogen. When Pluto moves closer to the Sun, the atmosphere expands. When it moves away, it freezes and falls back to the surface. On Pluto, the sky can literally collapse. Pluto has 5 moons. The largest, Charon, is so big that Pluto and Charon orbit each other like a pair. If you stood on Pluto, Charon would appear huge in the sky, always fixed in the same position. Gravity on Pluto is extremely weak, just 6% of Earth's gravity. You could jump incredibly high, almost like floating, but survival would be impossible. The freezing temperatures, lack of oxygen, and low pressure would end human life almost instantly. Pluto may no longer be called a planet, but it remains one of the most mysterious worlds we've ever discovered. A frozen time capsule, orbiting silently in the darkness. At the edge of our solar system, Pluto reminds us that even the smallest worlds can hold the biggest secrets.